No, no. How to deal with the situation, condition, challenges of my life. I don't know what the life is. How can I deal with the situation? The first step is to know what exactly is the situation. The first understanding that world consists of time, place, people, and objects. And how I respond, that creates a situation. Neither I know who am I, what is the real self, not I know the true nature of the world. How it is possible to deal with any situation, event, and condition in my life? The journey of the Eastern wisdom tells us. Where is suffering or happiness in the world outside? Can you tell me any object, any person, any situation which has an element of stress and suffering? I know you will oppose me. And then you will agree with me if you inquire if the situation, a person, or a condition has a property of peace and happiness. And the answer is big no. So then where this stress and suffering lies? It lies in ignorance. It lies in delusion. It lies in wrong notion. And once we remove that ignorance, delusion, and a false notion, we discover peace and happiness with it. The mind needs to change. If the mind does not change, peace and happiness can never be brought in our life. But why the mind should change? Because that mind is instinctive, it is on autopilot. When it is in autopilot, it doesn't think. Because of the non-thinking, it has a likes and dislikes. So it likes to get something to be happy. It is something like you marry to be happy and then you divorce to be happy. What a crazy mind it is. That is why we need to change the mind.